Hello everyone, I am Divya, your math facilitator. In this video, we shall discuss few problems based on chapter 2 of class 7. Okay, so we have already discussed the concepts of this chapter in the earlier videos, so you'll get the concepts by clicking on the I button. Okay, so now today the first problem is you have to compute this and express it in the form of mixed fraction. Clear? So how do you do that? Firstly, you can see 5 by 8 and 1 by 6 are not like fractions, they are unlike fractions. Yes, so you will convert it into like fractions and then you can solve it. That is one method. The other method is you can take LCM. Okay, so LCM of 8 and 6 is what? So 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4 and 3 it doesn't divide 2, so you write it as it is. Okay, now 2 1s are and 3, now 3 1s are. Okay, now you have 1 and 1, so you'll stop it here. So what is LCM? LCM is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so this is nothing but 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So LCM is 24. So LCM of 8 and 6 is 24. Okay, now here you have to equate the denominator to this LCM. Okay, so you know that 8 3s are 24. So you will multiply the numerator also with 3. Clear? And here you know that 6 4s are 24. So you will multiply numerator also with 4. Clear? So now 5 into 3 is 15 minus 1 into 4 is 4. So 15 minus 4 is 11 by 24. Clear? Now if you want to convert this into mixed fraction, you cannot do. Why? Because this is a proper fraction. See, only improper fractions you will convert it into mixed. Okay, but proper fraction you will not convert it into mixed fraction. Why? Here you can see numerator is less than denominator. Yes, so this is a proper fraction, so you leave the answer here. Clear? So moving on to the next sum, you have mixed fractions. So you'll multiply 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6 and you'll add 6 to this numerator. Okay, so 6 plus 2 is 8 by 3. Plus, now here also you'll multiply 2 3s are 6 and you'll add this to 1. So 6 plus 1 is 7 by 2. Okay, now you will take LCM of 3 and 2. LCM of 3 and 2 is nothing but 6. Okay, so you can also take here. So 3 1s are 3, 2 you cannot divide it by 3. Now 2 1s are 2. Okay, so 3 2s are LCM is 3 2s are 6. Okay, now since the LCM is 6, you will multiply 3 with 2 since 3 2s are 6, and here also 8 you will multiply with 2. Okay, here 2 3s are 6, so 7 also you will multiply by 3. Okay, so 8 2s are 16 plus 7 3s are 21. Clear? So this is nothing but 6 plus 1 is 8, 2 plus 1 is 3 divided by 6. Okay, so this is improper fraction. You can see numerator is greater than denominator, so you can convert it into mixed fraction. So how? You will just divide. So 6 6 are 36, remainder is 2. Okay, so how will you write it as mixed fraction? It is 6. Firstly, you will write the quotient 6, remainder by 6. Okay, again you can cross check. 6 into 6 is 36 plus 2 is 38 by 6. Clear? So this is how you convert improper into mixed fraction. Now moving on to the next question. A rectangular field is of length 5 2 by 3 centimeters and breadth 3 1 by 5 centimeters. Okay, so what is the length? Length of the rectangular path is 5 2 by 3 centimeter. Yes, you convert it into improper fraction. It is 5 3s are 15 plus 2 is 17 by 3 centimeters. Okay, now what is breadth? Breadth is 3 1 by 5 centimeters. 3 1 by 5. Converting it into improper fraction, 3 5s are 15 plus 1 is 16 by 5 centimeters. Okay, now they are asking us to find the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is nothing but 2 into L plus B. Okay, so this is 2 into what is length? Length is 17 by 3 plus breadth is 16 by 5. Okay, now taking LCM of 3 and 5, it is 15. Clear? Now 3 5s are 15. Okay, so you will multiply 17 by 5. Now it is 5 3s are 15, so you will multiply 16 by 3. Okay, so 17 into 5 is nothing but 7 5s are 35, 5 1s are 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, plus you have a plus in between. Now 16 3s are 48. Clear? So this is nothing but 2 into 85 plus 48 is how much? So 85 plus 48, it is 13, 9 13. So it is 133 divided by 15. Okay. So the answer is 2 into 133. So it is 266 divided by 15 centimeters. Okay. So per meter you will express it in centimeters only. Okay. If you want, you can convert this into mixed fraction also. Moving on to the next question. Abdul is preparing for an exam for a course and he has completed 5 by 12th part of the course. Okay. So you have to find how much part of the course is left for preparation. Okay. So if you consider the complete course as one part, he has covered 5 by 12th part. Okay. So out of complete one part, he has covered some part of this. Okay. So the remaining part, how will you get? If you subtract this part, you will get the remaining part. Yes. So that is what we will do here. So course content to be completed. Course to be completed, content to be completed. How will you get? So the complete course is one part. Out of that, this is 5 by 12. So if you subtract it, you will get this part. Okay. So out of one part, you will subtract 5 by 12. Clear? Now this is nothing but, so 1 is 1 by 1. So now taking LCM for 1 and 12, it is 12. Okay. So this is nothing but 1 into 12. So here also it is 1 into 12. So 1 into 12 is 12 minus 5. So 7 by 12 parts is left to complete. Okay. So also you can check. How do you check? So you have 5 by 12 part is completed and 7 by 12 part is yet to complete. He has to complete. Okay. This is what is completed. This is what he has to complete. Okay. If you add these two parts, you have to get the total course. Yes. So it is nothing but 12 and 12. They are like fractions. So you can simply add 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 ones are 12 ones are. So it is 1. Did you get it? So this is the complete course, out of which 5 by 12 he has completed and 7 by 12 he has to complete. So how did you get it? You have subtracted 5 by 12 from 1. Okay, considering the entire course as one part. The next question is you have to multiply 3 by 6 into 10. Okay, so 3 by 6 into 10 is nothing but, now you can see it is 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Okay, so you can multiply one numerator and one denominator. Okay, now this is nothing but 1 by 2 into 10. Okay, so you have cancelled 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, it is 1 by 2 into 10. Now again you have 2 in the denominator and 10 in the numerator. Be careful, only you can cancel one numerator and one denominator. Okay, here 2 is in denominator, 10 is in numerator, so you can cancel it. So 2 ones are 2 fives are. Okay, so now 1 into 5 is 5 divided by 1, so it is 5. Okay, so moving on to this bit now. Here you have 15 into 2 by 5. Now 5 is in denominator and 15 is in numerator. Yes, so you can cancel. So 5 ones are, 5 threes are. Okay, in denominator you have 1, so you can just directly write 3 twos are 6 divided by 1 is nothing but 6. Clear? So always whenever you have to multiply, you will check for numerator and denominator. Clear? Moving on to the next question, you have to find 1 by 3 of 12. Always remember, of is nothing but multiplication. Clear? So 1 by 3 of 12. Okay, here you have 3 in the denominator and 12 in the numerator. Now you know 3 fours are 12. Okay, so cancelling, you have 1 into 4 is 4. Clear? So always of is nothing but multiplication. So here also it is 2 by 5 of 15 means into 15. Okay, you have 5 here in the denominator and 15 in the numerator. So 5 ones are 5 threes are 15. Okay, so 2 into 3 is 6. Clear? Very simple. So multiplication is really simple, but the only thing you have to take care is you should not cut 2 numerators or 2 denominators. You have to check for one numerator and one denominator, or one denominator and one numerator. Okay, always it should be a numerator and a denominator. 2 numerators, 2 denominators you cannot cancel. That is what you have to remember. So this brings us to the end of the session. So I have completed few questions and I'll meet you with a different set of questions in the next video. Till then, like this channel, share this channel to all your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.